Hey everyone, welcome back to Age and Education channel. Today we shall continue with the chapter Light. So till now what are all the topics that we have covered? Yes, laws of reflection, right? And after that just recall I'll give a brief pause here. Just recall. Yes, we have dealt even with real image versus virtual image, right? And then again, I'll give a brief pause. Please think. Yeah, image formed by the plane mirror, right? By plane mirror. I'm just using shortcuts. Don't mind, okay? I don't want to waste much time in rewriting rather everything. Okay, image formed by the plane mirror. And after that, what have we seen? Yes, about the spherical mirrors, right? Spherical mirrors as in convex mirrors and concave mirrors. So the convex mirrors will be like this. It means all the light will fall here. Okay. Concave mirrors will be like this. It means all the light will fall here. Okay. And after this we have even checked over the converging mirrors and diverging mirrors. I hope you remember all this. Okay. Now what should we do now? As I have mentioned, now I will get into the image formed by a concave mirror. Okay. After this, image formed by a convex mirror will also be dealt with. And see, I won't go in a traditional manner. My whole idea here is to make you understand the things. Okay. So I'll explain you the entire phenomena behind this. It's like what happens, why it happens and all that. But it won't be so traditional. Like I won't tell you that it will be from this distance, distance from the mirror and all that. I will let you know the basic principle here. Okay, then it will be very easy for you to understand the entire concept. Okay. So without any further ado, let us jump into this one. What is this? Image formed by a concave mirror. So I think I have already mentioned that in a concave mirror, what sort of image can be formed? Yes, real image and also virtual image, right? You can see both type of images based upon the distance at which the object is placed from the mirror. Okay, so we will look into all the dynamics now, but concave mirror is capable to give us real image and even virtual image. Okay, now first of all, what I want to say is that imagine this is the concave mirror. Okay. Yes, this is the concave mirror. And now you can place the object here or here. Okay, just I'll give you a point here. You can place the object here. Okay, here or here, anywhere you can place, right? And based upon this distance, okay, you will get this image. Like at some points you will get real image which is inverted and also diminished, and at some point you will get the real inverted image which is exact, and some other point enlarged image which is what do you call, real and inverted, and at some other place you will get enlarged image which is virtual and erect. So let us see now. Okay, let us see the first case. Okay, what will be the first case? Imagine this is the concave mirror. Okay, and here what is it? Pole. Okay, and let this be what? Yes, principal focus. Okay, sorry, F, capital F. Okay, and then where is the radius of curvature? Imagine it to be here. Okay, and you know that this is the, yes, I can hear, focal length F, and this will be As this is the radius of curvature, from here to here will be 2f. It means that this is also f, right? So imagine that now we are done till here, right? This is what is this point called as? Center of curvature. Now let us place the object somewhere here, okay? Somewhere here, okay? Let us first place the object here. Okay, which object shall we place? We'll put a star. It is very easy, right? Star, it's like glowing star, okay? Or it's better that we put a candle, okay? As it has light to itself, okay? So now we will take a candle here and we will put this one, what do you call? We will put it away from the center of curvature but a bit near, okay? Here what you can find is that the image formed will be real, inverted and diminished. What is it? At this point you will get the image to be real, inverted and diminished, okay? So if the height of the candle is this much, okay, you may see the candle to be of only this height, okay? And as this is real, it will be inverted and the candle will be a bit diminished, okay? Next, what next? Now place the same thing, you take it from here to here, okay? Now as you can see the distance has increased further, right? And now what happens? Just think, will it get further diminished or further enlarged? It will get further diminished, okay? So when you increase this distance, then it will the image formed will be as usual real, inverted and it will be further diminished, okay? Diminished means getting small. I hope you all know about it, okay? So in the next case it will be further diminished, okay? Understood? So this is the first case wherein there is the pole, this is the principal focus, this is the focal length, center of curvature. At first you have put it here and you have seen that the image that will be formed on the screen would be real, inverted and diminished. And when you place the candle a bit further from these points, then you will find the image to be further diminished and it will be real and inverted itself, okay? Now in the second case, okay, so first case we have seen that the placement of the object is beyond the center of curvature. Now we will see what happens if the placement of the object is exactly on the center of the curvature, okay? Now imagine this is the center of curvature, okay? Center of curvature. Now what happens? What happens? Just think, okay? As usual, you will place this one here, okay? As usual, the image formed will be real, and if it is real, it should be inverted, okay? I'm repeating this thing like the real image is inverted these many times because I want that to be so much ingrained in your brain that real image means inverted image. Even if you wake up in the middle of the night, you should be able to say that real image will be inverted and virtual image will be erected, okay? Now real image inverted and the size will be the exact size of the object, okay? The size will be exact size of the object, okay? Now so it means that the rays will fall like this. You know about all these, right? I have like almost 3 or 4 times I've explained this concept, like the rays will be falling here and they get reflected back, right? They get reflected and the point where all these will meet is called as what? Yes, principal focus. This is the pole. You remember all this, right? So I'm not getting into all those details right now. What we want is that where are we placing the object and what sort of image we are getting with it, okay? And as this is a real image, you can capture it on the screen, okay? Don't forget about it. I'm not placing the screen here, but it is obvious that in the real image you can capture it on the screen, and with that you will know that you will get either the the object of diminished size or enlarged size and everything. Okay, so now we are done with the second scenario too. Now let us look into the third scenario. So what will be the next thing that you feel like knowing? See, this is the concave mirror again, right? So this is the what is this? This is, yes, pole. Now imagine this is the, what is it? Principal focus, right? So this is the focal length. Now this is the center of curvature. Okay, now what happens? We are done with placing the object here, right? We are done with placing the object here. And where else shall we place the object now? It is obvious that we can place in between these 2 points, right? In between the center of curvature and the principal focus. So let us put, now what happens? The image that will be formed now will be real, inverted and enlarged. What is it? Enlarged. And as the distance from the principal focus reduces, that is that now if you place this object a bit nearer to the principal focus, then it will be further enlarged. Okay, so now take this one. Okay, if the object that you have placed is this, then what you get is this at A. Consider this to be A, and now consider this to be B. Here you get it further enlarged. Okay, so as you get nearer to the principal focus, it will be further enlarged. Okay, but the image that is formed is still real, inverted and enlarged. Okay, so till now, till the focus, till this principal focus, we have the image to be real and inverted itself. Okay, and the size is changing, like at some point, that is away from the center of curvature, you are seeing the image to be diminished, and at the center of curvature it is exact, and later on you are finding it to be what? Enlarged. Okay, now what is the next obvious thing? You will have to place the what do you call, the candle here, right? So in the next case we will see that. So let us look into the final scenario. Okay, now we will place a concave mirror here, and as usual pole here. Let the principal focus be this. Okay, and the center of curvature is here, and we have placed the object here. We have also placed the object here and also here. Now what is left? You have to place an object here, right? So let us see. First thing, do you remember what did we get till here? It is always, yes, real, inverted, and what changes is size, right? Size of the image, sometimes it will be enlarged, sometimes it will be diminished, and at the center of curvature you will get the exact image. Okay, and now if you place an object here somewhere in between the principal focus and the pole, what happens here? The image that you get would be virtual. Virtual means it will be erect and the image will be enlarged. Okay, so this is the thing. You get a virtual, erected and enlarged image if you place an object beyond, like nearer to the pole. Okay, beyond the principal focus and nearer to the pole. Okay, this is about the images formed by what? Concave mirror. Here in the concave mirror, you can see that you can get both real image and virtual image. Okay. Next, we shall look into images formed by convex mirror. Images formed by convex mirror. So now tell me, how the convex mirror will be? it is bulged outwards, right? Yes. And as usual, this is the principal focus, okay? Sorry, this is the pole, okay? And as I have mentioned here, the rays would be divergent, right? The principal focus would be somewhere here, okay? Now, the thing is that in the convex mirror, anywhere you place the object anywhere, okay? You can place it here or anywhere. What you get is a virtual, erected and smaller object. Okay, why I am saying smaller? It is because if the object size is of this, okay, whatever you get, okay, will for sure be smaller than the real object. Okay, so based on the distance, it will get further smaller. Okay, it will get further diminished, but it will surely be smaller than the actual image. Okay, now, alright, what are the uses of these spherical mirrors? We have learnt about the concave mirrors and convex mirrors, and we have seen the properties. As one, the concave mirror can give us both real inverted image and also a virtual and erected image. And there is a concept of enlarged image. Okay, you can see that only in what? Only in concave mirrors. Okay, concave mirrors will give what? Enlarged image. So we use this to what? Just think, where do you want an enlarged image? Further, just think for the mirrors used by the dentist, right? And also the shaving mirrors. All this will show the enlarged image. Okay, so enlarged image is possible with concave mirrors, and so the concave mirrors are used by the dentist, by the uh, reflectors in torches, headlights of vehicles, and also as a shaving mirror. Okay, all these places you can see concave mirrors to be put to use. Now, how about the convex mirrors? For the convex mirrors, as I have mentioned, always what you see is a smaller image, diminished image, right? So where do you want a smaller image so that you can see so many things at a time in the mirror? Yes, for the vehicles, right? So in the rear view mirror, you can see many things at a time because they get the smaller, you get the diminished image and more area can be covered and you can see so many things. Okay, and also in the shop security purpose too, these convex mirrors are used. Okay, so this is about the concave mirrors and the convex mirrors. I hope you all understood everything. Okay, if not, as I have mentioned earlier too, please go through it again so that everything will be clear. Okay, so see you in the next class. There we can see about the refraction of the light and about the spherical lenses and all other stuff. Okay, thank you. Bye.